In this video, you'll learn how to uninstall the Notion app from your mobile device. By following these steps, you will successfully remove the application and its local data from your device. Begin by unlocking your mobile device and navigating to your home screen. Look for the Notion app icon, which is typically displayed among your other applications. It is advisable to ensure that the app is not currently syncing any data. To do this, close the Notion app before proceeding. This preparation step is important as it ensures that all data is saved and allows for a clean uninstallation. Next, press and hold the Notion app icon until a menu appears. Depending on your device, you may see an option labeled uninstall, remove, or a trash can icon. Select this option to initiate the uninstallation process. After selecting the uninstall option, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm that you wish to remove the app. Confirm this action to proceed with the removal. Wait for a few moments while the uninstallation process completes. During this time, the app will be removed from your device along with any locally stored data associated with it. This step ensures that the Notion app is entirely deleted from your mobile device. Once the process is complete, take a moment to check your home screen to confirm that the Notion app icon is no longer visible. If you do not see the app immediately, consider restarting your device to refresh the home screen. It is important to note that your Notion account remains active online, allowing you to access your data from other devices or reinstall the app at any time from the App Store. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.